In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download files from GitHub. This is useful when you need to save project resources, code samples, or documentation to your computer. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel of your GitHub dashboard and select the repository that contains the file you want to download. Once you've opened the repository, browse through the files and folders until you find the specific file you want to download. Click on the file to open it. This will take you to the files page where you can view its contents. Now, look toward the upper right area of the page for the three-dot menu. Click on it to open the available options. From the menu, select Download. Your browser will then begin downloading the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, you can open it from your browser's downloads area or find it in your computer's downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a file from GitHub and can now use it for your projects, reference, or documentation. Thanks for watching.